Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to check your laptop's temperature. So for quick temperature preview, right-click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, go to Performance section right here, and here you'll be able to find your GPU temperature, which is simultaneously your CPU temperature since your GPU is integrated into your CPU. So as you can see, for me right now it's 39 degrees Celsius. And if you want to see more information, you gotta install a third-party application called CoreTemp. So go to the go to your web browser, open a search engine, and start looking for CoreTemp application. Press enter, then find allcpu.com website, which is the official website for CoreTemp. Open it, then click download, and once the installation file downloads, click on it to start. Then you can close the web browser application, click yes, click next to continue, read and accept user agreement to proceed, click next, then you can click browse and select the right destination folder for your application, click next, then make sure to uncheck this checkbox if you don't want any additional software, unwanted software to be installed on your PC. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can leave this checkbox checked. I don't need it, so I'm gonna uncheck it. And if you want to install any additional language packs, you can also leave this checkbox checked, but I'm not gonna need it, so I'm gonna uncheck it too. Then proceed by clicking next, install, and wait until the application is installed. Click next. Then you can uncheck the readme option and click finish and wait until the application loads up. And as you can see here, we can find the information about the processor. We can see the frequency of each core, the load of each core, and we can also see the temperature. Here is the current temperature of the laptop. Here is the minimum registered temperature, the maximum one, and here is the power usage of the processor. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.